What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to replace your broken flush buttons on your toilet system. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. So this is one of the easiest DIY tasks that you can do yourself at home and save yourself some money. What you want to do is firstly remove the lid. Now with this one here, this one is actually loose. However, there's supposed to be a locking collar or nut on the back of it that's going to hold it in place. So if you just put your hand over the top there to make sure it doesn't fall onto the ground, flip that one there over. You can see there's some threads on the back there, and generally there should be a little locking nut or a collar there. You'd basically undo that one there. I'll show you guys how to reinstall it and you'll know exactly how to remove it. And then you just simply remove those buttons. Now if we have a look here, we've got our actual flushing mechanism. One is half flush and one is full flush. And we've got two little prongs, or at least we're supposed to have two little prongs here on top. And that's what controls our button there as we press it. So you can see as we press that little button there, that little pin is going to come down and press up against our flush button itself. Now I've got my replacement ready to go. Regardless of the style that you've got, you can pick up replacement parts for these. So we were lucky to find exactly the same one that we needed, and you can see there it looks exactly the same. Now with the locking collar that I was talking about, you can see there I'm just unthreading that, and that should have been on the other one as well. So what we're going to do is drop this one here back in from the top, make sure that it's sitting nice and centered, and we're going to take our locking collar and just tighten that one there back up onto the back. Make sure you've got it the right way. Alright, so once we've got that one there locked in place, the next thing we need to do is actually cut these down to size so that it's sitting at the right height, because if we install it at the moment the way it is now, you can see there that's sitting way too high. We've got a very large gap there, so we need to cut these ones here down to size. Now if you've got the old one, you can take rough measurements from the old one. You can see that it's very, very short, so we know that we do need to cut this one here down a fair bit. So I'm going to get a pair of pliers or some snips, and we're going to chop this one here down to size. So you can see this little white piece of plastic that bridges from one side to the other. This is just to keep these in line and prevent them from splitting out. What you want to do is drop these ones here down so that they're out of the way and so that we can cut them down to the right height. So I'll just take off these little rubber stoppers here that are on top. A little bit hard to do with one hand. There we go. It's 1, 2, put them on the side so we don't lose them. Now we're going to take our pliers and we're going to simply cut this one here down to size. You're always better off cutting a little bit higher because you can always cut a little bit more. But once you chop off too much, you won't be able to put them back on. And we can see they're still very, very high. We need to cut a bit more off this one here. Test it again, and we're almost there. We've got one little snip left to go, I think. Test it out again. So now we can press the button, make sure everything's working. Wait for this one here to fill up. We'll test the other side. And that's working perfect. So what we're going to do now, flip this one here back over. We're going to put these little rubber stoppers on the back. That's going to prevent any damage on the top here. Test the back out. That's working perfect. So there you have it, guys. Nice easy way to replace your flush buttons on your toilet system. Hopefully this video has helped you out and you've learned something new. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.